Hey! Hi everyone! Hope you're all well. Just for clicking on the video, you join me here in Stourbridge, where I used to live. I've come to the side of the football pitch where the old air raid shelters are. I was hoping, because the units are abandoned now, that somebody would have made their way in, but they're still bricked up. But anyway, you fancy having a look what's here? Come on, Dad! Here it is. It's still bricked up. Here's another one. Oh, this one you can see in. See if there's any more. Wow, yeah, there is. There's 3 so far. Look at that old ball. It's like you can see there's like bits of slag that's fallen down. Like bits of blue all in the soil. A little bit of climbing, bit of spider mace. It's wide. Yes, my days of wall walking are coming to an end. Yeah, this place would have been like a hive of activity in the day. Silent now. Oh, look at this big thing. It's plastic. Through the square window. So peaceful. One could almost say beautiful. The sandstone in this area makes it really easy to carve. Carol's Chippy has changed. That was the best fish and chip shop in town. the back alleyways of Stourbridge that only the locals know. You used to be able to get up onto the roof here. You probably still can.
Welcome on board this Novanti West Coast service to Edinburgh, calling at Warrington Bank Quay, Wigan North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme Lake District, Carlisle, Haymarket.
So that's about it from me here in the West Midlands. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one, yeah? Ta-ra! Mwah!